Good morning, everyone. All right, so today is gonna be the day that I'm actually take out the car to go do donuts. I've only done it twice. I'm not perfect at it. I've only tried twice. That's what I meant to say. I haven't done them properly. Kind of slide too much. You guys are gonna see today. We're gonna go up to a secret spot that my friends know of, and I'm gonna see if I could go have some fun with my stock BRZ. But first, gotta get that breakfast and do some grocery shoppings. Try to shred some fat and make my weekly meals. But I'm on spring break right now, so I'm enjoying myself a little too much. All right, I'm gonna go get a croissant. Wish me luck. I got my croissant. If you guys are near the Westminster area, I suggest this place right here. That one right there. They have the best croissants and the best customer service. I recommend. 5 out of 5. Oh, I just got some gas. Let's look at the thing. Go up. Almost full. Got myself some protein already. I'm ready. I'm ready to go drifting. Doing donuts. Just gotta wait for the homies to get off work, and then we're gonna head out. Boys came. What? Yeah, I got a GoPro. See, come on. What happened?
I lost my flutter.
Oh, really? So Hector? So Eduardo? Sheesh! Why did he lose it or what?
Because I moved the...
Just rev it, no? I can't hear it.
Yeah, but remember when I ended off easy, it was flipping.
You see that off easy? Wait, hold up. Why is it? Is it running from me? It's like a car running.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but I don't know how it sounded before then because I don't.
Alright, well, I never swung, but...
Okay, so how do you... I just recorded already?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what clutch people?
Alright, so what you're gonna do is basically you're gonna come in with a little bit of speed, and then like once you turn and clutch it, like push clutch it and just like counter it. Obviously the first time you're gonna do it is you're gonna feel it and see how it reacts. But
Where do you want me to get the angle from?
just get it from here. Get it from here over there. Doesn't matter.
So I had to come in?
Yeah, you come in with a little bit of speed.
I can't go in circles and then clutch kick?
I guess you can do that too. It's whatever you're familiar.
I've never done it, so...
I know, just you're gonna have to get used to like sliding a car. Go more that way. See how it feels? was good for the first one you did.
Yeah, for the first time it was pretty good, but I mean, I still need to practice. All right.
Hmm?
So it's actually been 4 days since I've gone out on doing my first donut with my friends, and I got a little scuff on my car that I've been wanting to record before I actually upload the video, but I've been getting too busy with work, so that's why it kind of took a while. But I'll show you guys the damages, and you guys could see. Let's see, open the car. It's on this side. No, not on this side. On this side, so you can't really see it from this angle until you look down here. I was doing a U-turn and I miscalculated my car, so I hit that, man. Damn, I can't believe that happened. But yeah, luckily I'm gonna get a little lip that's gonna go over here. I think it covers this, so you won't be able to see it. Damn, it's stock height and everything. I gotta get more used to driving this car, calculating my car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.